Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to reactivate Instagram account. But first, I am going to show you how to deactivate an account because we cannot do reactivation if you don't deactivate first. There are so many reasons why we want to deactivate our Instagram account. First is maybe it's just for privacy purposes, or let's just say it's a toxic social media platform. So, how are we going to deactivate? Go to your profile, tap the three lines here, go to settings and privacy. Okay, so once you're here, tap this account center. Now scroll down and tap personal details and then click this account ownership and control. So here you have options. You have two options. You can either deactivate or delete your account. So of course, we just want to deactivate. We don't want to delete our account. We still want to open this or reactivate this after this deactivation. So click continue. Enter your password again to make sure that you're the one who's using this account. Tap continue and they will ask you for the reason why you are deactivating your Instagram account. So just choose any here and then tap deactivate account. So there you just deactivate your Instagram account. So let's go to our tutorial. So in order to reactivate your account, and if you're using the same phone device, all you have to do is to tap your account here, your name here, and your Instagram account will be reactivated automatically. Or you can just simply tap or type your email address and your password, and you can easily reactivate your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.